Hey, champ. You like the yellow ones or the red ones better? You know, I didn't get a party like this when I was your age. Back then, we didn't have animatronics singing our name.
I don't want them to sing to me.
Come on, you'll love it. All your friends will be here. It's going to be perfect.
Do I have to go?
It's only a few more days.
It's Joe M. I'm sure you're wondering where Joe A is tonight. Well, you won't be hearing from him again. Yeah, you've been doing well. Surviving. But tonight, you're dealing with Fredbear. Fredbear likes to wander, move around the diner, checking every corner. But eventually, he's gonna make his way to you. Oh my god. If Fredbear gets into your office, you need to stare at him. Lock eyes. Don't look away. Don't move a muscle. He's got a thing about movement. If he sees you twitch, he'll take care of you. But if you stay still, if you keep looking right at him, he might just leave you alone.
This performance was never for them. It was for you.
It's Joey. If you're getting this message, something bad has happened to me. I know this all sounds strange, but you're going to be speaking with her. That puppet behind the curtains. She remembers things. Things people want buried. You'll see a set of questions on the paper I left you. Ask her only what you're given. Her mind's not stable. Don't let her spiral. You'll need to wind the music box to calm her down if she gets too agitated. Now, Foxy, the other problem tonight. That damn freak has been acting up since the kids keep trying to take him apart. Like the last model. He might make his way into the prize counter. If you see him moving, hit the spring lock override. It'll send him into the costume mode temporarily. But listen close. That override button doesn't just affect him. It activates all spring lock mechanisms within a 100-foot radius. It's not something we ever tested fully, so don't press it unless you have to. If Foxy isn't moving, don't do anything. Just ignore him. Hopefully she can help you uncover what's hiding in the basement and learn the truth about Charlotte. Stay quiet, stay safe, and whatever happens, don't tell anyone about what she says.
What day is it?
It was raining. The lights flickered. I think it was a Thursday.
No, I mean, what day is it today?
Today is Thursday too. There are only 2 more days until Evan's birthday party.
This performance was never for them. It was for you.
What day is it?
It was raining. The lights flickered. I think it was a Thursday.
No, I mean, what day is it today?
Today is Thursday too. There are only 2 more days until Evan's birthday party.
What is your name?
I don't know. I used to have one, but they don't say it anymore.
Isn't your name just the security puppet?
Yes, it is. I think.
What did Henry tell you to protect?
Children, laughter, the stage. I was made to guard the good things. It's harder now to protect. I don't know why.
Why are the animatronics acting strange?
Their voices were stolen. Their hearts were rewired. Someone changed them. And now they attack without reason.
What is hidden in the basement?
I hear metal breathing. And something crying. Henry said never to go down there. But he did. He always left the key with me. But now, he is gone.
Where has Henry been?
Gone. He left me here. Said he'd fix everything. But he never came back.
So who's in charge?
Afton is. But he disappears there's a lot too.
What did Afton do?
He found me outside. He smiled while I stopped breathing.
What?
Please help me. Something is wrong.
Who are you?
I don't know anymore. A memory, a warning. I don't know what I am. Maybe I'm just what's left. Please, help me. I'm scared and confused. Help me find out what happened to me. Here are the keys to the basement